Hello everyone, welcome to the SAP 2000 Basic course. In the previous lesson, we learned how to review the analysis results, including deformed shapes, shear force diagrams, bending moment diagrams, and the support reactions. In this lesson, we are going a step further. We will let the program help us perform steel frame design and check whether the current steel member size are safe. Let's begin today's lesson. First, open the model from Basic Course Lesson 8. After we finish the analysis, we need to set the design code. At the top menu, go to Design, Steel Frame Design, View Revise Preference. Here, we choose our design code. In this example, we will select AISC LFD. In most cases, we keep the default values provided by SAP 2000 since they already follow the code. Click OK to confirm. SAP 2000 will use our load combinations together with the select code to perform the design checks. Next, we need to specify which load combinations will be used for design. Go to Design, Steel Frame Design. Select Design Combos. You will see several options under load combination type. First, set the type to strength. Below that, the program asks which load combination should be used. The combination we previously defined, such as Combo 1 and Combo 2, are listed here. If you do not choose Combo 1 or Combo 2 as design load combinations, then SAP 2000 can automatically create code-based design combinations by checking the option Code-based design load combinations. In this course, we do not want the program to automatically create combinations. We want to use the combinations we defined ourselves. So, uncheck the code-based design load combinations option. Select Combo 1 and Combo 2. Add them to design load combinations list. Then click OK. Now, SAP 2000 will only use these two combinations for member design checks. Next, we start the design check. Go to Design, Steel Frame Design. Start design check of structure. After the design is complete, the model will appear with colored members. These colors represent the design ratios of beams and columns. Run in to take a closer look. Under steel frame design, different color represents different ranges of demand, PN ratio. Green means the member is safe. Orange means it is close to the limit. Red indicates a ratio greater than 1.0 means the member is overstressed and do not satisfy the code. After running the design, the quickest way to see the ratios is to click the Display Design Info button in the Still Design toolbar. This opens the design output dialog. If we choose PN ratio in colors with values, then click OK. We can see the demand capacity ratio displayed directly on each member. And the ratio greater than 1.0 means the members fails. If we have many members, it's not practical to check them one by one. Instead, we can use other very useful feature. In Display Design Info, this is an option called Identify All Features. If we check this, SAP 2000 will only highlight members that do not pass the code quick check. Now, only 4 members that fail will be shown with feature markers. In our example, you can see the only 4 members are marked is failed. If you want to see detailed results for a particular member, you can click the member and right-click to open its detail. In the Design Detail window, you will see the final design result for that members. For example, under Design Message, you might see something like error, section overstressed, which means the demand PN ratio is greater than 1.0 and the section is overstressed. At this stage, we know our original member size is too small. We have 2 options. One, manually change the section to a larger size, then return and rerun the analysis and the design. 2, let SAP 2000 automatically select suitable sections from a predefined auto select list. In this lesson, we will demonstrate automatically section selection. To let the program automatically choose member size, we first need to redefine our selection section list. Before changing sections, we must unlock the model. Click Unlock Model, and SAP 2000 will revert to the state before the last analysis. Now, we go to Define, Section Properties, Frame Sections. Click Add New Property. Then select Auto Select List. Give it a name. For example, Auto List. In previous lessons, we only defined two sections, 300 times 300 and 200 times 200. If you have many different member size in your real project, you will define them all here first. Now add 200 times 200 and 300 times 300 into auto list. This tells SAP2000 for any members assigned to auto list, you are allowed to choose either the 200 times 200 section or the 300 times 300 section as final design size. Click OK. To finish creating the auto select list. Next, we select the members we want SAP2000 to design automatically. In this case, the members that previously failed. Select those members. Assign the section auto list. Click Apply. This means that after we rerun the analysis and design, SAP is allowed to choose whichever section in auto list satisfies the design requirements. Now we run the analysis and the design again. Click Design. Steel frame design. Start design. After the design finished, you will notice that the members that were previously read are no longer failing. In our example, the program has automatically changed their section from 200 times 200 to 300 times 300. Recall from previous lesson, we initially set all bins to 200 times 200 under our load combinations. The demand capacity ratio for 200 times 200 was greater than 1.0, so they are insufficient. After we let the program auto-select from the list, SAP2000 upgrade those members to 300 times 300, and the demand capacity ratio drops to below 0.5. That completes the demonstration of automatically section design in SAP2000. That's the end of today's lesson. In this lesson, we have set up the steel design code, specified which load combinations are used for design, performed the steel design checks, reviewed the design output and the member ratios, and finally, allowed SAP2000 to automatically select steel sections based on the design code and the auto-select list. Now our model can go through the entire process from modeling to analysis to design. In the next lesson, lesson 10, we will wrap up the whole basic lesson. We will show you how to explore design reports, save the model properly, and give a summary of the entire lessons. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please remember to share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class.